Thank you all for being here, because what a great day this is for Rochester and for New Hampshire, and for a great partnership and relationship between New Hampshire and the people of France. This is a shining example of the kind of innovative business that has New Hampshire as well positioned as any state to lead the country in economic growth. It's creating hundreds of jobs. It represents a partnership between our higher education system and our business community to develop the kind of workforce pipeline that we know we need. We hear it from businesses all over the state, and this partnership between Albany, Safran, and Great Bay Community College with its advanced technology and academic center has really become a model for what we can do throughout the state of New Hampshire. And it's bringing high-tech manufacturing jobs to the Granite State. Albany Safran couldn't have picked a better location to expand than right here in Rochester. As you all know, Mayor Jean and the City of Rochester are great partners for innovative businesses. And we know how responsive the community of Rochester has been to business needs, making this business park possible. We are really, with this grand opening, poised to establish this region as the emerging composites center in the Northeast.
I had the opportunity to visit Albany just as the plans were in the works for this new facility and the new technology that is going to be working here. And it was so exciting to think about the new jobs that are going to be created, to think about the technological innovation that's going to occur here, and the leading role Rochester and New Hampshire will play in the aerospace industry. We very much appreciate all of your hard work to make that happen. To all of you who have brought this facility here, you know, I believe that it's the private sector that creates jobs. And the role that government has, whether it's local, state, or federal, is to try and help create an environment where you can make those jobs happen. It's one of the things that the grant that the community technical colleges have been doing so well with job training from the Department of Labor, that grant has allowed many people to be trained. It's part of the work that Rochester has done to create the infrastructure that the state has done to make sure that all of this works together. And this is the kind of partnership that allows operations like Safran, companies like Albany and Safran, to be so successful.
This is a wonderful partnership that we have here today. And let me congratulate all of the workers who are here today, both from Albany and Safran. Thank you for what you're going to do in terms of building really the top-notch aero pieces that are really composite materials that I think is so exciting, because essentially what we're going to do is save fuel. We're going to make sure that our commercial aviation system has the best composite materials. And when we save, obviously, energy, it's going to make it less costly for people to fly and to use our commercial aviation system. So there's so many positives that I think that we're going to see from what you are doing here. So I want to congratulate all of you, and thank you for what you're going to be doing for the state of New Hampshire.
As I watch the collaboration, I see our wonderful Great Bay Community College preparing workers, and I see workers coming here, and I see this product going out that's going to do such great things. And as the Senator said, we're all on the Armed Services Committee, actually, all three of us that have spoken here, so we recognize the important role this has in commercial and military applications. We just want you to know how much we appreciate this workforce, and we appreciate our alliance with these companies, and we do recognize how marvelous the French are. We still plan to keep working with you. Come to New Hampshire, bring more jobs. You're in the right place, thanks to Governor Hassan and those who support it. And my final comment has to be for my own city. Rochester's a great city to live in, we know that. But in order for us to do so well, we really have to have tremendous leadership, and we have had that in Rochester. Our Rochester city officials, led by our mayor and our city council, and development and all of those who work so hard need to take a double bow today, because we, more than anybody else, know that Rochester is a great city to live in, a great city to work in, and we welcome you to bring more people to us.